With 32 years experience as a registered nurse, I'm often asked what inspired me to work in aged care. It was my father who inspired me. Ever since I was a young girl growing up, I wanted to help people. I started my career as a hospital emergency nurse in China. Little did I know that my decision to become an emergency nurse would be the start of my lifelong interest in healthcare. When I was working in China, I remember people did not fully understand aged care. Many people thought aged care facilities were set places for old people without families, not places anyone would choose to live in. It was only when I moved to South Australia 12 years ago that I saw aged care from a completely new perspective. With stunning natural beauty and vibrant food, wine and culture, I soon learned that South Australia was also home to innovative world leaders in science and technology, medical research and aged care. Here, old people live happy and healthy lives in vibrant aged care facilities and communities. They participate in meaningful activity and live life to the fullest. As much as I love my new home, I continue to visit my family back in China as often as possible. On one particular trip, I noticed that my father's health and mobility was declining with age. That visit was a turning point for me. I decided to create a new 10-year plan and chose to put my nursing skills to work in aged care to help the elderly. When I returned to South Australia, I was given the opportunity to work for Australia Aging and Wellness Services, which is a company formed by 3 leading aged care providers: Eldercare, Lifecare, and Southern Cross Care.
With more than 150 years of combined experience, Australian Aging and Wellness Services has a team of specialists who are helping Chinese providers quickly develop the skills they require to deliver world-class aged care for the country's rapidly growing elderly population. Australian Aging and Wellness Services is partnering with providers to co-design elderly care with Chinese characteristics for a new era by training staff in areas such as dementia, palliative care, infection control, disease management and best practice aged care. By developing excellence in residential aged care and home care management and accreditation systems. And by designing aged care environments that are better places to live and work through best practice building design, interior fit out and project management. We understand the challenges faced by aged care providers, and we offer tailored solutions regardless of budget. Solutions that are good for older people, good for business, good for government, and good for the community.
By working together for the long term, Australia Aging and Wellness Services is helping providers future-proof their investment and hard work, and creating a better future for China's most treasured and respected community members.